declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service and to the service of our great imperial family to which we all belong.
We are all visitors to this time, this place. We are just passing through. Our purpose here is to observe, to learn, to grow, to love, and then we return home. Even with the most deeply held differences, treating the other person with respect and as a fellow human being is always a good first step towards greater understanding. When life seems hard, the courageous do not lie down and accept defeat. Instead, they are all the more determined to struggle for a better future.
It has always been easier to hate and destroy. To build and to cherish is much more difficult.
Each day is a new beginning. I know that the only way to live my life is to try to do what is right, to take the long view, to give of my best in all that the day brings, and to put my trust in God. We should take comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will return. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again. But for now, I send my thanks and warmest good wishes to you all.